Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's chapter is about map function. Map is array function. We can take with map function an existing array and create a new array based on the old one. For example, if I will want to take the numbers array and create an array that is exactly the same but just double all the numbers, I can do it with the map function. If I want to take the student array and create HTML tag, for example, table HTML, I can do a new table, HTML table that contains all the students. Let's jump to the first example. In the first example, I want to take the numbers array with map function. Each item from the old array, I want to double it. So let's double it. And the result, I simply will print it. This is the new array. I want to see also the old array. I simply double every number in the old array and I got the same amount of items in the new and the old array. This is the first example. As you can see, it's a very simple one. If I want to take the result and actually to store it in a variable, I can do it also. And again, if I want to print it, I just need to print the new array. As you can see, the result is the same. Simply a way of working, how you prefer to work. Now we will jump to the second example. In the second example, I want to take the student array, only the student array, to the HTML page, inside the script block, of course. I will start with a simple example. I want to create array that contain only the first name and display it inside the HTML page. I got div to display the result. His ID is display. I will put inside his inner HTML property the result of the array map function. That's it. We can see we have a nice result. It's not designed or anything. It's not exactly HTML, but it's displaying the HTML section and not in the console anymore. Let's jump to example number 3. I want to build HTML table that contains all the students. Of course, it should contain also something like titles or border maybe. And I want to build the HTML tag, in this case, table HTML tag, which is not a very, very simple one, but it's doable with the map function. How I'm going to do it? First, let's create a const that will contain the static part of the table. I will use backtick. It's the easier way to build strings. I will add the titles, table add, and each title, let's close it first. I got name, age, and email. After the table add, let's start with the table body. Now I want to build a row for each student. The problem is I don't know how many students I have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the map function. This is my array, students. For each student, I want to build, again, backtick. I want to build table row. Easier when it's split too many rows. I need to close this row. And now I need table data. I need to close table data for each property of the student. I got S name, S age, and S email. That's it. This is my table. I want to display this table inside my div. I will use the inner HTML property. As you can see, I got a nice result. The only problem is I want to eliminate this comma here. So where is the map method? Nice clean table. I want to examine the HTML. Everything looks just perfect. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.